Yep, package. Time for a late night unboxing. Hello YouTube. I'm just going to do a late unboxing. Just got off of work. Worked a 12-hour shift. It's about 3:30 in the morning. This is on my porch. Yeah, so I'm just going to open it up real quick. Okay. These are the locks for the car. Okay. These are pretty good ones. They only ran me about 20 bucks. They're supposed to have came with my wheels, but they forgot to send them. So here they are. Now I can order the final 2 wheels for the car. Just a little quick video. Until next time.